think we need to bring this up. I think we're good.
We do need to bring it up.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Hi, welcome back to Mama Deb's Kitchen. Today we are going to make easy goulash. So that's what the recipe says. That's what it's called, easy goulash. Over here I have a chopped onion. They called for,
Empty wine bottles, huh?
well, they're not empty yet.
Yet?
Over here I have chopped onion, and it called for a green bell pepper, but they looked nasty, so I went with a red bell pepper. A pound of ground beef, couple bay leaves. I have garlic in there with oregano, salt, pepper, and I believe that's it. Noodles. In here I have a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, or Worcestershire, however you like to say it, potato, and a cup and a half of beef broth. Now the recipe that I'm going to post is double this, but I mean, it's me, Eric, and Danny who eat this, so I'm not going to make dinner for a family of 8 when there's only 3 of us here.
It's the recipe for 8 people.
No, I don't know. I'll see how much it is on there. It looks like it could be. It's double this. It's a lot of people.
How are you basing that off of?
My own perspective.
Really? Are you good at math?
Not as good as you. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to brown these 3 items together. This is going to go in last, but I have it out there so I don't forget about it. I'm going to brown these, and I know that you don't want to watch me brown things for about 15 minutes straight, so we'll come right back when it's browning, and then I'll add in the other ingredients, and we'll talk our way through that one.
You were also browning in the bathroom about 5 minutes ago.
Oh, I was not. Hi, welcome back. We're browned. Look at that. I am going to add in the spices, and my sister said to me, oh, you need to get those cute little cups that, not Pioneer Woman, what's her name? The one that did the...
Pioneer Man.
No. Oh my God, I love her too. Joanna Gaines does, and I'm like, okay, well, I ordered them and they haven't come in yet, so.
She's Pioneer Woman?
No, she's not Pioneer Woman. Ree Drummond is Pioneer Woman. I got my people mixed up.
Who are you then?
Mama Deb. I am Mama Deb. I'm the white Auntie Fee. I showed you her last week. I loved her. Rest in peace. She was so cute and so funny on her cooking show. Okay, now I'm adding in the tomatoes.
I'm glad you said you were white, in case people were confused.
Oh, shut up. Worcestershire sauce. Ooh. Okay. You're going to be my taste tester, too. Oh, and back to the taste testing thing. Remember a couple weeks ago I made the peanut butter cornflake squares, and Billy, my first child, firstborn picky one, wouldn't try it.
I don't think we need to bring this up. I think we're good.
We do need to bring it up.
I don't think so.
Yeah. And there, I'm glad it came by because I made more for him. I'm putting all these in there. And these are not cooked. The recipe says I just let this come to a boil and let it sit for 20 minutes, and these are going to cook. So we'll find out. Anyways, back to the cornflake peanut butter square things. Uncle Alec and Uncle Keith came over again for another batch that I made afterwards because those two just love those, and they made him try it, and guess what? Billy loved it. He loved them.
They are good.
They were very good. So, yeah.
Do you want to let the people know that I can't re-show them the wine bottles because now they actually are empty and you threw them away?
They are not. They're still sitting there.
It's been around the afternoon.
Okay, so now it says to throw in bay leaves. I gotta get my lid under here.
So, you're not prepared. Don't know where your lid is.
I just had it.
It's right there next to the stove.
Where?
I'm just kidding.
Where is it? Oh, it might be in here. It is.
Are those clean dishes?
Those are clean. These are freshly cleaned. The heater is still on it. Okay, so and then I'm just gonna let it sit for 20 minutes, and we'll come back. And no other children are here again, so he's got to be my taste tester today. We'll be back. Hi, welcome back. The goulash is done. Look at that. It's a one-pot meal. I love these. It looks nice and good. I mean, like I said, this was an easy recipe that I pulled up. And my son Billy is going to have to be my taste tester because there are no other children here right now. So, how much do you want? Like a whole bowl of it, or what do you want? Just enough for you to taste?
Yeah.
It's hot, be careful. It does say to put some shredded cheese on there. Sorry. I'm not doing that. I don't think that cheese is fitting for this bowl, for this meal. I mean, that's your preference. So it does say to put some shredded cheddar cheese in there.
Are there tomatoes in this?
There's tomatoes
I
in
don't
it.
like tomatoes.
Just eat it.
I guess
Those are bell peppers too. The red ones are bell peppers. It's tomato sauce.
Oh, okay. I still don't like bell peppers. What'd you say?
It's hot.
Mm,
Is it good?
it's really good.
Okay. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And then the next episode, I'm doing brownies, but stay tuned for the next couple of weeks because my sister will be here, and I know I've mentioned this before. We're going to do Scottish week or day while she's here. We're going to make my mom's steak pie, and I believe we're making the Victoria sponge, which is a sponge cake with cream in the middle, and they use jam out in Scotland. I think we do it with, my mom did it with sliced strawberries and like a light glaze. It's so good, so delicious.
Do you know the difference between jelly and jam?
I don't, but I know that something has seeds and something doesn't.
Definitely not what the punchline is, but
I don't, is it dirty? If
Yeah,
it's
you're
something
gonna get
dirty,
mad.
I don't, no, don't say it then. I don't want to do anything dirty. Okay. Thank you for joining us for Goulash Night, and we'll see you next week. Hi, we're back.
Go. Fucking
Welcome back to Mama Deb's
6 episodes
Kitchen.
in.